Flo. Welcome to my channel. But today it is not my channel because my subscribers have taken over.
Hello, Auntie Flo. Have you subscribed? Have you?
If you're a family member here, settle in and watch what your mates are doing. Ask yourself, during this lockdown, how many times have you sent my share? Yeah, you come here and grab recipes and go and hide in your lockdown location, prepare the food and chop alone without sending my share. Tell me, what is the color of your wickedness? Let me know in the comments. You guys have been cooking a lot this lockdown. Yes, some people cooked for the first time this year. Yeah, lots of very busy people. This is their first time settling down to cook something. Prepare these recipes. You know, some of these recipes have been in your to try list for ages, but finally the opportunity has come for you to try it. Yeah, so I know that you guys have been cooking up a storm. Yeah, my website can feel it. In fact, during this lockdown it has crashed twice. I've had to do some work to reinforce the site for the tsunami of traffic that it has been getting lately. So it's all good, that's good news. So yeah, I received a good number of photos from those that have been cooking a lot, and after some time I was like, no, I'm not going to suffer this long throat alone. I have to bring it to YouTube so that you people will follow me and suffer the long throat. Man, the too much, all could be over. Yeah, all this tokom, I cannot come and suffer really alone. Okay, we will start off with meat pies, the most popular recipe this period. These ones are from Evelyn Michael. This is what you get when you follow a recipe to the letter. Good job. These ones are from iFina Event Empire. You see how she's zooming and zooming out of the meat pie? Kind of rubbing in the long throat. These people, I tell you, they are so wicked. These ones are from Jessie William. Can you believe that this is her first time of making Nigerian meat pies? That's so good. Then Chayoma of Mommy's Yum and her kids prepared the special lockdown meat pie recipe. Remember the one I prepared with Kamsi and the Ned on this channel? Yeah, check that out. So much attention to detail. Good job, team. And not only are they showing off their special meat pies, look at those special plants in the background too. Aloe vera, basil, parsley, chayom, and ayu biko. Trish made the special meat pies too, and this was her first time ever making Nigerian meat pies. I love the way they look. They have the perfect homemade look, each one with its own character. There's something special about homemade food or snack looking like they are homemade, especially if it's your first time making them. The most important thing is the taste, and Trish said they were very delicious. Well done, Trish, well done. I'm very proud of you. The next submission is from a family that I can say is the #1 family that is enjoying this lockdown to the fullest, and that's Chibike and his family. They went the whole 9 yards to prepare lots of food. They also prepared Nigerian meat pie. Can you see what he's using to cut the dough? No excuses, use anything you have. I use a pot cover, he's using a bowl. You can even use rectangular shaped containers. It doesn't have to be the classic half moon shape of meat pies either. I have a video where I show several shapes that you can use to cut and make this Nigerian meat pie. To be honest, everything is about the taste. So long as it tastes like Nigerian meat pie, the shape doesn't matter, the look doesn't matter. As far as I'm concerned, you're making it for your family, aren't you? You know, it's not like you're selling it. So for the filling, make sure you don't overfill so you can close it. See how easy peasy it is for him? Glaze and place in the oven. Did you see that long throat? Una follow ya? If I do my own now, you people will start saying that I'm doing you long throat. You see why I have to bring this here, so that I will not come and suffer this thing alone. Hey, longer throat. throat akalia. Next, Isabel from Birmingham has been on a roll during this lockdown. She made okra soup ofenlacha. Have you heard about the famous ofenlacha? Have you? You've not? Your lockdown location must be under a rock. You need to go down to my channel and find out what this soup is all about. Isabel made the gourmet version. Look at the red pepper sitting on top. She has made donuts, meat pies, and this wrap spiced with suya pepper. Enjoyment galore. Engineer Orangu, I hope I got that right, took the potato stir fries recipe and ran with it. He converted it to a sauce and served it with rice. Check that out. So instead of cutting it into long strands, he cut it into pieces because that actually works better when you want to make it as a sauce. But you know, when you want to make it as a stir fry, it's fine because you'll be using a fork, you know, to take the long strands. But when you want to turn it into a sauce, actually on my channel, I have a sauce that is prepared with similar ingredients minus the potatoes. Yeah, it's very yummy. And he told me that he added mushrooms to his. I love mushrooms too. I don't know why a lot of people don't eat mushrooms. Mushrooms, even though it may appear tasteless, but when you add it to a sauce, it takes the taste of that sauce it takes it up a notch. Let me just say it that way. He says it's now his dad's favorite sauce to eat rice with. Well done. Then check out my cuties, Oge and Obinna, who made 6 children from Oboduku, staying home and staying safe in Switzerland by preparing some delicacies. Hear them.
Hello, Auntie Flo. Have you subscribed? Have you?
So today we're making Ghanian
Donuts.
Look at how this
Some
looks. I know
chopsticks.
you guys may think that this does not look like donuts, but in Ghana, the donuts don't have holes and they're round.
Yes. And make sure to like the video. Have you?
Did you hear them? Did you? If angels are telling you to like the video and you are still not acting, then your heart must be stone like kakaraka applicative. Please like the video. Angels are talking. In Igbo land we say it's like spirits are talking. So angels are telling you to like the video. You shouldn't be reminded these days. Somebody told me one day in the comments that I've spoiled you guys with reminding you to like the videos. That's why you don't like until I remind you. But that's not true. Go and check my older videos. I only started asking for likes on this channel. Before, I just upload my video, narrate the video. I don't even ask for likes because I don't see the importance. But these days, with the YouTube algorithm, the likes help a lot. So take a moment and click the like button so that other people can see the video. It helps the video perform better. Clicking the like button should not be too much to ask. Should it? I'm still asking because you guys don't click without being asked. Yeah, that's the thing. So I have to keep pressing your button, nudging you along. Hey, madre mia. Next, Nenina, all the way from Norway, tagged me on this ofenlacha. I told you, this ofenlacha has gone places and it's also popular this quarantine period. She says, this soup is meant for lacha that's licking only, but hunger hold me, so I ate it with eba. Hunger hold me is Nigerian pidgin for I was famished or I was so hungry. So she was so hungry that she broke the ofenlacha code. It's for licking only. Nenina, do you hear it? It's for licking only. So she sneaked in some eba, but hopefully not next time. Yeah, it's strictly for lacha. You just lacha the soup, lick the soup, and chocolate the obstacles. Check out how conk it is. Look at all the ingredients staring at me. I can make out each and every one of them, which is exactly how this soup should be. Chibuike and his family also made suya.
And this charcoal is coming out blazing hot. Suya and mackerel.
They made pancakes. You see how he has my video playing while making them? That's how to do it. Be like Chibuike. Follow the recipe frame by frame to avoid had I known. Because you know, with my recipes, when you blink, you miss a lot of information. So no skipping, no distractions, no nothing. Pay rapt attention. If this is how you follow my recipes, let me know in the comments. They made the Oyibo pancakes, which is, I call it the dry one, and the Nigerian pancakes.
Hey Flo, so I decided to do 2 types of pancake. You can see this one is exactly the one you made, and this other type. You know, my kids like it this fluffy and heavy, but I decided to also make this one, you know, which I think is also cool. And yeah, so this is almost ready to go. And you see how it is. Yep, that's ready to go.
And hear what he had to say about that meat.
All right, Flo, this is the second batch. And of course, the meat for the first batch is debunked, like you rightly said in your video. So
for those that follow me on Facebook, remember that on the 1st of May, which was Workers' Day, I made Abacha live on Facebook. Yeah, Chibuike, the action man, made some Abacha after that live video. Check it out.
okay, guys, my Abacha is done. Right there. Just look at that. Hey, one new I'm new. Anyway, that's my azu right there. I'm gonna cut it on spinach and my onions, garnish, and make it look good, and my peppers. So yeah, anyway, enjoy guys. Thank you.
So that's all I have to present today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope they did you tokom, they did you long pro, they motivated you to actually prepare something and send my share for the first time ever. Your days of baking these meals and chocolating alone are in the past, right? Everybody that sent in something, you all did a great job. Oh my god, I'm impressed with your work. I like the fact that you actually got to work, you know, follow the recipes to the letter, produce something that you enjoyed. Yeah, that's the most important thing. I can feel the joy flowing out from these messages, these emails, because I tell you, if you haven't tried any of these recipes, try it just for the joy. It gives you some dopamine rush. Yeah, you will be looking at it, some of them will be looking at it and say, did I really make this? Yeah, especially when it comes to baking. Baking is something that a lot of people are afraid of. I had baking phobia myself because it required precise measurements, precise temperatures and all that. So it can easily go wrong, but a lot of people have been brave enough, you know, overcome their fear of baking this period and try their hands on some of these, and they enjoyed making them and they came out delicious. A lot of places are coming out of lockdown now. Here in Spain, we are slowly coming out of lockdown. So yeah, but you still have time. A lot of people are still under strict lockdown. So yeah, there's still time for you to prepare something this period. Nene, stop moving that bed, eh? You're interrupting my video. We're in the hospital. As you can see, this is the wall of the children's hospital, but we are fine. Don't worry, my daughter is in the hospital. She's fine now, and hopefully we'll soon go home. I need my dose of travel. Yeah, I was supposed, today is the 7th. Yeah, I was supposed to travel to Nigeria today, but of course, you know how far. you know how far. I can't stay in one place for a long time without traveling. I can't stay in one place. You can't go further like me.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Hey, bye bye. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Be careful, don't get coronavirus.
Did you hear that? Ned said,
Stay at home.
stay at home.